Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you have a garden, love nature, especially birds, and currently looking for a water wiggler for your garden bird baths? Would you like to have a special bird bath garden or bird bath water wiggler? If you're looking for a special accessory for your bird bath, then we have the product for you. We would like you to know about the Kozy Resort Auto Refill with Base. This baby is made of durable materials to resist corrosion and scale buildup. The water supply line is hidden in the pedestal and can be easily installed since this baby offers a simple setup. It automatically refills after bird bath is emptied for cleaning. The air pressure from this item forces water from the reservoir to rise to the same height in the bird bath. Kozy Fill runs off gravity. There is no electricity needed, so you will save money. This is ideal for your garden, yard, lawn, or patio. Here are its product information. Type is auto refill. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 25 by 14.5 by 14.5. Weight is 11.5 pounds. But the awesome features don't end there. This item will not crack in winter or in freezing temperatures, and even has a 3-year material and workmanship warranty. The long wait is over. You can have the Kozy Resort Auto Refill with Base today at a very affordable price, and see to it that every beautiful bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.